just like a breath of spring. And when I looked into her eyes, I thought of bluer summer skies. And when I held her hand in mine, I heard the bluebird sing.
They sang a
Wondering if he loved her.
will she marry?
Marry if he'll ask her.
Will her heart
Be true for him for and then
And
forevermore.
when she's lonely,
Lonely is he near her.
when there's
Sadness will he cheer her.
will they
Always be together until in death they part. I courted her for months on end until she promised we would wed. We planned on being married in the spring. All through the long cold winter months it seemed that spring would never come. And every gloomy winter day I heard the bluebird sing.
They sing of
Waiting for the flower,
and of
counting every hour.
till the
Bluebird chirped its welcome into the world once more.
And while we're
Waiting for the
we
sunshine,
keep hating
every storm cloud
that is
gathered over the mountain to keep us far apart. Then when at last spring touched the earth, we're married in the village church. Our wedding seemed just like a dream come true. So many years have come and gone, our love is still as true, as strong as when I found her long ago. And still the bluebird sings.
They sing of
Loving every hour,
that I'm
married to my flower,
and we're
happy ever after. Since the day we met,
and though we're
older love is sweeter,
we grow
fonder of each other.
we'll be sweethearts
Sweethearts close together until the end of time.